Ellie, are you trying to get to Jovi? Hey, little girl. Are you crawling? Yeah. You going to see your friend Jove over there? Jovi? Yeah. Look. No. Oh, just look. Look, Ellie's going to go see Jovi. You see, she's crawling over there. Do you see him? No, don't touch the camera, Caleb. I know. Hey, Ellie. Hey, little girl, Ellie. Ellie, what are you... Ellie. What are they doing, Joe? Joey's just you like that, Noah? Ellie. Hey, there you are, baby. No, don't touch the camera. Yeah. Elizabeth. Hi. Hi, are you crawling now? You're such a big girl. Oh, no, don't touch the camera, please. Don't touch the camera. Look, oh, there she goes. Yeah, there she goes. She wants to see Jovi. Yeah, that's Jovi, you're right. She's trying to get to him. Uh-oh. Be careful of the baby, Caleb. Watch out. No. It's too much for babies. Oh, you lost a shoe, Ellie. Watch out. Watch out. Careful of the baby.